Hey, what's happening? This is an electrical box I ordered off of Amazon so I can provide electricity to my tiny house, inside my tiny house. And what comes inside the box is the cover and the electrical box. And it has a main shut-off power circuit breaker already in there, so that's cool. Now I have to determine where I'm going to mount this inside my tiny house. I'll be back. On a location for this electrical box. Now before I mount it, I have to think in advance that this box, because I'm going to be using tongue and groove pine wood, and so it's got to sit out so that will come flush, and then when I put the cover on it, it will cover that edge up. Then same thing goes on the other side. I have to put another 2x4 in over here so that I will have something to nail that tongue and groove to on that side. The top should be okay as is because I'll just nail here and that stud there going across up to the top. Well, so I got to cut me a 2x4 and then see about getting this electrical box installed and start running wires to it. Okay, the electrical box is in, so now we need to start running wires to it and putting some circuit breakers in there. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and keep moving forward.